How to move heavy furniture. Moving large and bulky items like furniture is a lot easier if you have the right tools and use the right techniques. Follow these guidelines for your furniture moving project to reduce your risk of injury or strain. Always measure first. Prior to lifting a finger, measure any doorways or tight hallways you may need to pass through. Struggling to push or fit an item through an opening that is too small can result in damage to the item. Clear your pathway. When you are lifting a heavy item, you will likely be unable to see your feet. Clear any debris or tripping hazards out of the way to ensure you have a clear space to carry your heavy item. Make sure to wear closed-toed shoes with non-slip soles. Remove extra pieces. Remove loose items that could fall during lifting, such as couch pillows. To reduce the weight, empty shelves and drawers. This means emptying books off shelves and clothing from dresser drawers. Disassemble large items. If any item can be disassembled into smaller pieces, do so and save the screws, nuts, and bolts separately. We suggest a plastic bag. Ask a friend to help. If you cannot safely and comfortably lift an object on your own, ask a friend to assist you with your move. One good guideline is one person for every 50 pounds. Lift with your knees and hips. Improper lifting can put strain on your back and cause injuries. Lift from your legs and hips when moving heavy items. Use the right equipment. Using a dolly can save you time, reduce potential strain, as well as the risk of injury. It also prevents accidental dropping or damage. A large item may require more than one furniture dolly to allow you to safely move it to its new spot. Try the sliding technique. If the item is too heavy for you to carry and you do not have a dolly on hand, you may also try the sliding technique. Place the item on the sliders or blanket. Gently lift the edge of the blanket and slide your item across the floor. Use the high-low method of lifting. Tilt the furniture back so that one mover is carrying the top of the item. The second mover should stay low and carry the bottom of the item. Maintain the angle as you move. This angle will make it easier to navigate stairs.